The HOODMART 7-foot concession trailer hood feels purpose-built for food trucks, with a low-profile design that preserves valuable headroom while still capturing smoke and steam effectively. Its heavy-gauge stainless steel construction and fully welded seams give the hood a solid, commercial-grade feel that stands up well to daily, mobile kitchen use. The integrated direct-drive exhaust fan and variable speed control provide strong, adjustable ventilation that can be tuned to different cooking loads throughout the day. Pre-wired lighting and stainless steel grease baffle filters make the workspace brighter and cleaner, and they are straightforward to remove for routine cleaning. Thoughtful details, like the full-length grease trough with removable stainless steel cup and included hanging brackets, simplify both installation and ongoing maintenance. Because it is built to recognized commercial standards and comes as a complete system with curb, side curtains, and install hardware, this hood offers food truck operators a professional-level setup in a single package.